Today's video, we are going to calculate the variance and the standard deviation for the discrete frequency distribution. In my upcoming video, I am going to solve the variance and the standard deviation for the continuous frequency distribution. See here, in this video, we are going to calculate the standard deviation as well as the variance. And this topic is from measures of central tendency and variability. And this is the second chapter from probability and statistics. Now, in this video, we are going to calculate the standard deviation for the following distribution where x values are given and the frequency values are given. So, x values are 4, 8, 11, 17, 20, 24, 32 and the frequency values are 3, 5, 9, 5, 4, 3, 1. So now we construct the following table for computing the required values. The first column here is the x value, that is x value from the question we have taken, that is 4, 8, 11, 17, 20, 24 and 32, and the frequency value here are given as from the table, that is 3, 5, 9, 5, 4, 3, 1. So the second column is the frequency table and the x values are given from the question. See here, now the third column is fi into xi. Now we are going to multiply each and everything, that is 4 into 3, 12, 8 5s are 40, 11 into 9 is 99, 17 5s are 85, 24, 20 into 4 is 80 and 24 into 3 is 72 and 32 into 1 is 32. Now see here, now we have to calculate the mean, that is x bar. So how to calculate this one? So now we have to make a summation out of all these values, that is fi into xi, sigma. So if I make an addition, our answer is 420 here. And now the frequency addition is nothing but the 30. And now this value is nothing but n and this is nothing but sigma fi into xi. Now x bar is nothing but, see the formula which I am going to show you from the textbook here. So x bar is nothing but sigma fi xi by sigma fi, that is 420 divided by 30. See here the value is 420 divided by 30, the value here is 14. So we got x bar value as, 14. Clear? After getting x bar, now we have to subtract this one, x minus x bar. So here x, what is x value here? This is 4 minus 14. 4 minus 14 here, which is equal to minus 10. 8 minus 14 is minus 6. 11 minus 14 is minus 3. And see, 17 minus 14 is 3 and 20 minus 14 is 6, 24 minus 14 is 10, 32 minus 14 is 18. Now here in this column we have to subtract xi minus this value is 14. And the next one is we have to make the squares out of this. So minus 10 square is 100, minus 6 square is 36, minus 3 square is 9, 3 square 9, 6 square 36, 10 square is 100 and 18 square is 324. And now according to our problem, now we have to multiply these two. That is f into this one is x minus x bar whole square. If I multiply these two columns, so this will be the answer, that is 3 into 100 is 300, 5 into 36 is 180, 9 into 9 is 81, 5 into 9 is 45 and 4 into 36 is 144, 3 into 100 is 300 and 1 into 324 is 344. So if you make a summation out of these, the value here is 1374, that is 1374. Now how to calculate this variance and standard deviation? Now for the variance we have a formula, that sigma fi into x minus x bar whole square by sigma fi. So now this summation value is from the table here, that is 1374 and this value is a sigma f. Sigma f value is nothing but 30. Now we have to make a division out of this, that is 1374 divided by 30, the value here is 45.8 is our variance value and the standard deviation is nothing but the positive square root of this variance, that is root over 45.8 value here is 6.77. So this is our variance value and this is our standard deviation. This is our standard deviation value is nothing but 6.77. This is our mean value. See clear? First of all, the x values we have to take in one column, the frequency values we have to take in the one column. We have to multiply these two columns and third column is formed as fi xi, and now we have to add these fi xi column and f column if you make a division. So that is the mean here. We got 14 as a mean value x bar. Now we have to subtract from x, that is x minus 14, this one. So we have to fill this column and we have to make the squares and now we have to multiply these two and after addition, so this will be the, so the addition, that is 1374 divided by 30 will be the variance value, and if you take a positive square root of the variance, we'll be getting the standard deviation. So these are the values. So this is a very clear cut answer solution for this. And the next question is, find the mean standard deviation of the following frequency distribution. So x values are given and f values are also given. So likewise, so we have to take x in the first column, x values in the first column, that is the 6, 10, 14, 18, 24, 28 and 30, and the frequency distribution values are 2, 4, 7, 12, 8, 4 and 3. And now we have to make a multiplication, that is 6 into 2 is 12, 10 into 4 is 40, 14 into 7 is 95, 18 into 12 is 216, and 24 into 8 is 192, 28 into 4 is 112, and 30 into 3 is 90. Now we have to make an addition with this. So after addition, using your calci, if you add, this is a 760 is the answer. And next one, if you make an addition for the frequency, so the value here is 40. So here 40 is the answer. Now how to make a mean? So the mean is nothing but sigma fi xi, this total divided by this total. See here, this total divided by, that is 760 divided by 40. The value here is 19. So x bar we got as 19. So this will be xi minus 19 is our fourth column. So x values are these. That is 6 minus 19 is minus 13, 10 minus 19 is minus 9, 14 minus 19 is minus 5, 18 minus 19 is minus 1, 24 minus 19 is 5, 28 minus 19 is 9, and 30 minus 19 is 11. Next, the next column is we have to make a squares out of this. Minus 13 whole square is 169, and minus 9 whole square is 81, and minus 5 whole square is 25, minus 1 square is 1, 5 square is 25, 9 square is 81, and 11 square is 121. Now we have to multiply this one. So the frequency column and this column, if you multiply, so this is 2 into 169 is 338, 4 into 81 is 324, 7 into 25 is 175, 12 into 1 is 12, 8 into 25 is 200, 4 into 81 is 324, and 3 into 121 is 363. And if you add this column here, the value here is 1736. Now for the variance value, see here, sigma square is equal to sigma fi into xi minus x bar whole square by n. N is nothing but this value, that is 40. N value is equal to sigma f. So this value divided by this value, that is 1736 by 40. The value here is 43.4. So this is our variance value. And what is the standard deviation? Standard deviation is the positive square root of the variance. That is square root of 43.4. That is 6.59 is our value. So hope you guys understand. This is very clear. So from the textbook, I've chosen 2 problems, 2 examples, and I've explained you. So you can do so many problems of this kind by your own. If you watch this video, if you really like this video, please pass it on to your friends, as many friends as you can. That is the greatest help is needed for this channel. And stay connected. And in my upcoming video is on calculating the variance and the standard deviation for the continuous frequency distribution. So there is a small formula here. So if you remember that, all the columns are very easy to calculate, and definitely you can score more. It's a damn sure question. Thank you so much for staying till the end.